We want to welcome you to Hillbillies Do Stuff. We are the Hillbillies and we do stuff.
But they were all like, you know, sometimes they come in clusters or they come just really short. These were all like almost perfect.
Oh, what if it got hail damage? It'll never be the same. Poor bugger. You think it's what? Yeah, right. I know. I think the tires got a little damage. Oh, it didn't get wet. But we're back. We are back, and today the skater's gonna run.
You just put me in the videos for the sex appeal. Put me into thumbnails, that's all. All I'm here for.
Mike's just here for looks, clearly.
You took that whole off.
I didn't, which one?
The thing that was there.
Yeah, we
so
did.
today, fingers crossed, skater's gonna run. Hopefully this is a short
Hopefully.
video. If it's a short video, it's a good video. Hillbillies do stuff. Jasper, what do you think, buddy? Is it gonna run today? You went for a run. Jasper went for a run, didn't ya? Yeah. So now the Gator can run. What is that? Non-genuine part? Slipped that one in before the tariffs, didn't ya?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what happened apparently to the other drone. It got held up at customs and sent back.
Oh, they actually sent it back?
Yeah.
How come?
Because it's China, I think because... Oh, it's right
All those chewed up wires. We didn't
Yeah,
bring
those
any
are-
electrical tape.
Well, those are the other piece I got. The piece over that. This is.
Oh, I got you. If those are bad, we gotta take the whole motor back out.
Well, you gotta get part of it. Yeah, there's not much.
It's not gonna be quite as good of a day if we have to take that out.
Yeah, this is what's behind there.
We do have more alcohol though, so it might be doable.
After this motor, you just lift it out.
So we'll get new wires if those are bad. If not,
But I bought this anyway because it was cheap.
okay. We're gonna hope it was that little
I
guy.
didn't want to wait however long it took to get this thing. So they may get this anyway eventually. So I mean, that's my guess is if we get it running, then I don't mind.
It won't be so bad to work on it if we
Right.
know it's gonna run when we put it back.
Yeah.
It's a little low to get up.
Yeah.
So if we could spin it fast enough, we should explode.
So should and now this should be powering it, as long as it's getting an input.
Oh, well, now you're getting picky.
I mean, it was firing. The old one was firing one cylinder.
Yeah. So we should be able to check it. I mean, worst thing is like spark plugs out, but I think we can kick it over and try it.
All right, I'll just keep the battery
Yeah,
going, and if
yeah.
I have to kick it up to more power.
All right, guys. Keep your fingers crossed.
Oh, hey. Oh, you didn't.
I just let it try.
Oh, okay. Man, that damn slow. Oh, nothing. Is it in neutral? It's gotta be neutral.
What did you do?
got heavy wire, I can do it. Otherwise, this shit. That's what it does.
So we got the little box off the good Gator. Brad's lecturing us about OEM.
We don't even know if that's an issue yet. See, that's.
Oh,
It's actually Denso, Japan.
getting our lecture
Denso thingy.
for buying cheap crap.
Boy, he had a little freedom there.
All right.
All right. So
So now we'll just kick it. Same thing. Let's see if there's a spark or not. If there's
Yeah.
not a spark, then we got an issue somewhere else, like power or pickup.
okay, so let me know when I need to kick the key forward.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Spark?
Nope.
No. I would say then those pickups went bad, or the wiring shot, or something.
That means the motor's got to come back out. Oh, I guess I should shut that off.
I can't expect you to pull the engine.
You gonna try to take that cover off? Proctology. So we determined the new part is good by putting it on the other Gator. And now,
Where is that part?
right there. Oh, the other part? I don't know. You took it over by the other Gator.
Oh yeah.
Let the proctology begin.
I think these were the ones that had the warmed out screw fitting too.
It's that gas line or whatever that's in front of it. And everything. That and everything else. Maybe it'll go at the bottom.
That's what I'm trying to do. Just think go down. That's all I need. That far.
Oh yeah, they're right there, aren't they?
Gets to them.
They don't look good.
No.
They're not pretty.
No. Little Phillips. Looks like.
Little
Yeah, they're
Phillips.
Phillips and one wrong move and there'll be no threads left on them.
We know it's getting serious now. You're getting your gloves on. The work's about to begin.
Oh. Yeah. Clean up.
What would you rather do?
Anything else?
You say that, but you really don't.
It's true. I just really wanted it to start right off the bat.
I know.
Not require hundreds of dollars worth of more parts and more weeks.
I said I don't care even about spending $100. If you told me it would just take a couple $100 and it would run, I'd be more than happy to make it run.
We just don't know.
But that doesn't bother me. It's the time it's taking. I did not think we'd do this much. I thought the motor would go in and it'd probably fly right out.
Probably gonna stop.
Do I need to narrate? I'm putting in
What was
the
that?
back magneto.
Magneto?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The one with the red wire goes in the rear. We determined that.
Yeah.
Wow. Boy, look at that good stuff right there.
Yeah. Seen better days.
I mean, you just can't tell by looking at them whether they're good or not.
Or now it's good, now it's not. Now
Yeah.
it's good, now it's not.
Because the one set of spark plugs was working last time and now they're not, but also the ignition switch was working last time and now it's sketchy.
Yeah, I never noticed that before. Yanking on the switch.
There's just a lot of sketch going on with this thing.
I don't know. More things should have magnetos.
How many times can you say magneto?
But I'm done.
All right, it's all plugged back in.
Is it?
Yeah.
So you're gonna test spark?
Yeah, I guess it's already hooked up.
I think it'll run. Even with that on there.
We've been saying we think it would run for a while.
This is starting to get hilarious.
I think you can.
Oh, you mean with the spark checker in place?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think that keeps it from running. I think it'll run. That was the most positive thing I've ever heard.
All right, I'm gonna turn the key forward.
Yeah, when you're ready. I should have reinstalled this. This is a pain.
This is so janky. This part's janky.
What do you mean?
Yeah, it's the hot wire and starter every time.
Every time.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Hold on. Trying to turn it. Okay.
I don't have a spark.
No spark still. What the F?
All right, we're here for take 2.0 for the same video here. Clearly, we had no success last time. And so it wasn't even worth making a whole video for because we failed so quickly. The ignition was bad, no springs. What else? What else did you get? Some more stuff to replace.
We did a bunch of testing and stuff because we had to put them.
Gonna do a compression check today.
Yeah.
A few more
Check
things.
the valves.
Set the valves. So
the valves.
maybe that's number one thing that's keeping it from running. There's something keeping it from running. Maybe it's just a piece of shit.
Don't say that.
All right, here we go, 2.0. On the ignition that I still don't know if it's right, so.
I'll go fly in from above, fly down to
Oh, did you get your drone working?
This is the other one.
Fly in and just have it hover over the motor. We can do drone footage like this.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Isn't that good? I'm like a drone. What do we need one for? You got a Lindsay with a stick. What are you doing now? Setting the valves?
Yeah. You slide it around. That. Can you do the other one? Can you still slide it around the other one?
Yeah, it's tight. No. You need to make it a little tighter. All right. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty tight. Pretty good. I can move it though.
180 out. I still know.
Is that a thing?
Do what?
Is that possible?
Yeah, it's possible.
I thought we determined last time
Swap
that it wasn't possible.
the ignition around to the same effect.
It doesn't because it doesn't work that way after because they're not both top dead at the same time, so that you can't just switch them. It wouldn't fix it.
Because you tried that and it ran really bad.
Yeah, but they're not top dead at the same time. Well, that could have fixed it if it was that way, but it's not.
It's like one's not all the way down when the other one's up. It's partially.
Partially, so you can't just flip them. So if we're off,
If we're off, then we're screwed.
we're screwed. And it's come back up. Cam has to be slid out, spun, put back.
Okay, let's not go worst case scenario because I'm ready to push this thing over the hill.
So they're set right now. They're set on the compression stroke, both of them.
New ignition switch.
Well, I don't know if it's hooked up right but we'll just try it until it works. There's only 4 wires.
Battery.
Gonna put the covers back on?
No.
No?
Not yet.
Is it fine without them?
That should be.
Okay.
For what we're doing right now, it should be fine. I'm just gonna put a compression checker on and spin the engine over and see if we got compression.
Oh yeah, compression check.
Yeah, that's spark plug on it, so. This is even the right one. That's not it was.
There must be an easier way
Do what?
to get that in there.
No, you're right.
Is there different ends or?
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of different ends. I guess.
It'd be easier if you didn't have to have the tube on there the entire time, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
You could just snap it on.
Alright, so look up the compression on this motor. 30 or higher.
The compression's supposed to be 130 or higher.
Alright, well, I mean, I guess we're good to.
You got the throttle open, right? When you're checking.
Yeah, once the throttle open, I'll just find a bolt.
Uh-oh, ignition's on.
That is the PSI right on the outside. Yeah, well, let me check the other side then. Or at least and see what the other side gets. But it's good. Alright, let's see what this one is. They're identical. I can't imagine.
90.
Yeah, so I can't imagine they're exactly the same. So I would consider them good. I know I said 130, but
So the only thing that could throw that off and participate in what we're seeing is a plug muffler.
yeah, I'm not holding on. I can see the screw hole way back here now.
Is it off?
It's off.
Gone.
So it had holes in it. Some stuff in it. But it's off now.
See what compression you got now.
See if it improved it at all.
It's not. Ready?
Yep.
90.
It's higher.
But it's
A little.
blowing shit out. I can feel it hitting my arm. So it wasn't there before because it was hitting all the stuff.
It's happier.
So it's still 90 though.
Yeah. Like 92.
Ah, in the green.
Alright, well, put spark back to it and see if anything happens.
Heck yeah.
It's a prerequisite for the job.
Okay, spark plug's back on.
Are
Go back to the old ignition, what you did, right? And
the covers a optional part of this?
It should be fine for what we're doing. I don't think it's gonna shoot a kind of oil out of them.
If it does, it's gonna shoot it on me.
And we gotta fix that fuse probably.
I fixed the fuse.
Alright, turn the key forward then, we'll try it again.
Is everything hooked back up?
Yeah.
Choke.
Choke it.
Job. Going on.
Turn the key forward and then I will start it. Alright, ready?
Choked.
Our beautiful day has turned into a beautiful ice storm.
We don't get to do it on the
Oh, hail the gator. Yeah, gross. They said the rain was over. I guess the rain is over. It's hail. Oh, this is disappointing. All right, today we're prepared.
Okay. She said this thing is not gonna run.
It's not. It's not gonna run. I'm gonna push it over that big hill over here. You see this? This big hill that, yep, it's going down. It's going down because I'm tired of working on it and I'm tired of spending money on it. And if it doesn't start today, that's it. This is our last Gator video. Oh, hate this thing. What do you got today there, babe? We got a new battery.
We're throwing parts at it at this point in time now. So we did get starting fluid.
Starting fluid. We've been
big
missing
deal.
that, yeah.
So
We have Jasper.
yeah, we've been jump starting, so we got a new battery. So we went on and did that.
And what else in these boxes? You got some.
I got a voltage regulator. Not that it probably needs it, but it was super cheap, so I ordered it.
And
New
these?
coils, same thing. I don't
What
know
are
if you
these?
Need it coils.
Coils. Two new
Same
coils.
thing. They were super cheap. $20 for 2 of them. I just ordered them anyway.
New voltage.
Even though it's throwing a spark, I don't know if it's as good as sparks it needs to be. So
All right. So we're gonna see if throwing parts at it is the way to go because the other stuff hasn't exactly been working. It has compression, it has spark, it has gas, and it still doesn't run.
and the timing looks like it's preset. Like there's nothing you change on it. The cam's probably worn down, but it ran before that, so there's no way the cam wore down like enough to change anything. So I don't know. We're gonna try a couple things.
Either it starts or it goes off the hill. Either way, this is our last Gator video if it doesn't start. Hillbillies do stuff. Still have dreams about Walmart, working at Walmart.
Yeah, it was very traumatizing.
I dreamed the other night that I went back to building limos. That was a nightmare.
Oh, that's your Walmart,
Yeah.
the limo store.
I forgot we took the exhaust off.
I was pretty
That's good.
excited about it in the dream, but in real life, it's not exciting.
What do they call this thing? Voltage regulator?
Yep.
That's what that thing is?
Yep.
The little.
Well, I guess that makes sense because it's all heat synced. A VR.
Who knows if we needed it or not? This is the throw parts at it day.
Yeah. Whoa. Well, we're about an hour away from knowing if it's internal.
About an hour away from sending it to the scrap.
Oh, no.
I can't get this bolt out and round that off.
Thought maybe you forgot
Yeah,
how to
those
use
things
a
are
wrench
terrible.
there.
Do you have an 8mm wrench? I don't have a wrench
Yeah,
that
yeah.
small.
See if the second thing that we got doesn't work.
Well, if the spark plugs were like normal spark plugs, they'd been fine. But I didn't know. So I've never had a spark plug that this core came out. Yeah.
Well, it's shinier than the old one. That makes it better than we're in business.
It's gotta mean something.
Plugged in. I think. Yeah, it's shiny, so that means it's better.
Uh-huh. Look at it. It's all nice and shiny.
And these are
Nice.
different, so maybe that means they're better.
More better.
More better, more betterer.
It's slowly getting cleaner as we change the parts. So,
When it gets all new
Yeah.
parts, then it'll be. Oh God, this stupid thing. I just want to use it to go to the outhouse. I just want to stop getting ticks while I walk to the outhouse, and it just won't work. I don't think that's a lot to ask out of life. Something to drive up to the shitter.
She knows she's in good with us, so.
Alright. So
All right.
spark plugs.
Ground down spark plugs.
I don't remember what kind of hijinks you have to do to hotwire this thing.
Let's see. Probably want to put the valve covers back on.
Oh, valve covers.
Put the valve covers off.
Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of parts missing.
Yeah, because we don't have an exhaust on it.
Yeah, well, we determined last time we no longer needed it. New battery. That was on the list of things today.
Yeah.
Woot woot. And the secret weapon. Is this it? Nope. Where's our secret weapon?
The starting juice.
Our starting fluid. Did we forget to bring it down?
No. It's here somewhere.
Yeah, we got a
It's
secret
right
weapon
there.
today.
No, is that on it?
No, it's not it. I guess it's almost the moment of truth. Right now it's Pandora's Gator. It both runs and doesn't run.
It says runs. I still do it, though.
Till we try it and find out that it doesn't run.
You said it wasn't gonna run today. She's like, it ain't running.
Well, I'm just going off of past experience.
Define run.
Start.
Like, pop, pop, pop,
I mean, like it has to start before it runs.
Starting fluid.
pop. Oh, yeah.
Alright.
You have your jumping wire?
Yep, got the jumping
Oh,
wire.
it's got everything.
Guess I gotta operate the key.
Key.
It's hard to do when I'm filming, so that doesn't
Ignition
usually happen. I want to capture the moment, but
Yeah,
I
you're not supposed to check it when you put starting.
can't do both things. Maybe Brad can do the key.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
You gotta, I think you gotta turn the key more. Like I usually hold it
Oh,
when
do
you're
you?
doing
I
it.
thought he was jumping.
Firing like crazy now.
Yeah, that's healthy.
The timing, and he just acts like there's some timing's out.
How much is a new cam?
Not that much. Less than $100. $60 or something.
You don't get to push it over the hill. I hate it.
I like it still. That's the problem. If it was a four-wheeler, it wouldn't even care. I like this.
6x4.
I think they're cool.
So you're taking the motor back out.
Yep.
I think we're probably confused.
Yeah.
What do you call this now? The rebuild?
Yep. Three rebuilds.
A rebuild.
Yep, re.
The Lindsay disagrees. Thinks we should shove it down the hill.
You're gonna love it.
Plenty of time for that.
I hate it. I already hate it. What was busted? Oh,
Gear broke.
is that plastic, isn't it?
So
Is that the governor?
that's the governor.
Would that keep it from starting?
Don't know what it was doing. So yeah, you could do weird things because I don't know if it was pushing down all the time, the way it was busted.
It wasn't busted when you put it in.
No, it was not busted.
Yeah, that would prevent getting fuel.
Well, now you know you need that.
Because if it's activated, it's not gonna.
So what you're telling me is we're gonna throw more parts at it and come back.
Yeah, like new engine. At least new.
Money pit.
$5,000.
Money pit. Good, when it gets done, we can have $5,000 on it. We'll see. Take her to the outhouse. I can take my lawnmower to the outhouse too, and it mows, so if I could trade it for another lawnmower. I want an amphibious vehicle. I don't know.
Heavy rains.
Yeah, we do get a lot of flooding. In the pond, can I amphibiouses the pond? I could make it across our tiny pond in like an hour in one of those things.